All right, another Jeep dent. What causes these dents? If you don't hang your strap back on, the door, you can take the doors off the Jeeps, but when you do, if you don't hang the straps back on, the mirror will come around and slap and make this ugly dent right here. This is about as bad a dent as I've ever attempted to fix on these. Pretty nasty. That was deep. All right, guys, hopefully we'll have an after repair on that. All right, thanks for watching. All right, Jeep dent all done. See? All fixed up and ready to go. These dents are very complicated, very hard to do. This one came out pretty well. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.